All right. Yes, straight to the main point. Welcome, welcome. Yes, this is the Wonder Wave, and we are going to see all those steps on how to do it. And still, I would like to welcome you guys. Welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is Maurice, the Crochet Master. And yes, indeed, I'm here to show you everything that you want to know about these waves. And still, I'm going to be showing you the things that you're supposed to use and how you can maintain it, and the cornrows that you're supposed to use to have it. But before, remember about all right. Yes, that don't get twisted when you see a hair by clippers. I always say that hair by clippers is my salon. And yes, when we start doing this, I want you to look at these cornrows, because I always want to teach you that there's the difference between the type of cornrows that you supposed to do on the different types of crochet. Yeah, people are still doing mistakes, doing bad cornrows on doing bad cornrows on right crochet. So like, you find a crochet is looking very nice and someone is doing a bad corner on it, like those ones who always do small cornrows. Yes, it is fine, but when it comes to crochet, we have to first look at the type of the hair extension that you're going to use, and then you do the cornrow that is going to favor that type of a crochet. It's not just a matter of doing a cornrows. No way, you just have to know. So now the Wonder Wave, I already know that my wave is this big, and you can see how the extensions are looking very big. So what I'm going to be doing is to make sure that I crochet it, I make the cornrows also big, so that my crochet can fit in there very perfectly, because those are the simple mistakes that we always do when it comes to that we do bad cornrows on the bad crochet. I don't know what I'm trying to tell. Like, we always do bad cornrows, yet with the ones that are not for the crochet that we're going to do. So try to always look at the cornrows, the crochet that you're going to do, and then you make sure that you do the cornrows for that crochet. You understand what I'm trying to say? Indeed. So as we're continuing, my cornrow was a puff, and trust me, on this one I made it a puff just because I want my client, she can be able to hold it a puff, she can be able to make it a sideway, and still, since we're going to be doing a fringe, still she can be able to do all that. So that's why I decided to make a puff cornrows. And then when you try to look at the way that I'm crocheting, it's different on this usual way, because this one I'm double locking. If you try to see the method that I'm using, I'm trying to double locking so that the crochet is very firm in that corner. So this is how it is. One, twice. Yes, that one you can also do it, because we have been doing it in most of those videos that I've been doing. So you can also try it out in that way. So this is the crochet that we're doing, because I always want to tell you guys that let's try to be creative, let's try to create something, because we have a lot of hair extensions, and what I know, all those hair extensions, they can be done, and you get something that is good from it. So like, I always have this crochet, but I've never tried it on to see that maybe I can get a fringe from it. And now for today, it's when I realized that I can get something from it, and now This is what I'm trying to do here, so that I can get something from it. To those ones with the freedom twists, you can use it because it will do a good job for you. And then I'll be teaching you on how you can uh, sorry, how you can cut it. And those ones who will want to leave it longer, those ones who want to leave it looking very short, it can do all those hair styles. So this time around we are just going to do our fringe, and this is how it looks. Remember, I'm covering everything here. After getting my center, and I'm gonna start cutting it. And when I'm cutting, the other things I have to focus on. Number one, I have to focus on the fringe, a fringe that I'm going to do, because I know I always tell you this, that we have two different types of fringes. There's that fringe that is supposed to be above the eyebrows, and there's that one that's supposed to be exactly on the eyebrows, where the eyebrows cannot be seen. So that one depends on someone's face. So that's why sometimes you find some people fear to do fringes just because of getting those problems. Like you find someone have been doing it in a wrong way. Like maybe a hairstylist didn't know that she can look good on a fringe that is covering the eyebrows, or the fringe that is above the eyebrow. That's why for me, when I'm cutting it, I start from down, you understand, just like this. I make sure I start from down, so I keep on coming up slowly by slowly, so that I see which one is going to be very nice for them. So this is how I just keep on doing it, just slowly by slowly, in this way. So you can see how I'm trying to bring it out. It's not easy at all. It's not easy at all, but I'm going to make sure that we get the real thing the way we want it to be. So those are the things that you need to know when you're doing a fringe. You just have to, or you have to know the position, that where is something is going to solve, if it's above the eyebrows or down the eyebrows. So those are the tips I would like to give you on the fringe, and please, you should make sure that you consider them very much. And this time around I try to mix, because there are a lot of things that we always want to learn, but since because of the time, I decided that we can still get them from hair by clippers. Yes, you can still get them from there. The weave-ons, everything that you want to know, you can see, so that we keep on learning all this. So this is how it looks, and trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. It is very nice, and when it comes to treat it, you can still love it. So for now, I'm gonna sign out. Bye bye. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Enjoy the wave.